Hello my dear students, welcome to my channel Every Student Zone. In this video, we will learn about adverb and its types. And for my previous video, I will put link in the description below and in the I button as well. You can check my previous videos from there. This is the fourth part of parts of speech and there are four more parts which I will cover in my later videos. So let's start. Adverb and its types. What is adverb? It is a word or a set of words that modifies verbs, adjectives, and other adverbs. It tells when, where, and how an action is performed, or indicates the quality or degree of the action. Many adverbs end in ly, but some words which end in ly, such as friendly, are not adverbs. Many words can be both adverbs and adjectives according to their activity in the sentence. For example, Robin is always happy. I love her very much. He is running fast. Alex works hard. He wrote that willingly. Now let's see what are the types of adverbs. There are 6 types of adverbs. Adverb of manner. Now see the first one. Conjunctive adverbs. A conjunctive adverb connects phrases or independent clauses. It provides transitions between ideas and shows relationships. Conjunctive adverbs are also called connectors. For example, it rained last night. Nonetheless, the final match hasn't been cancelled. Next, we are still confused, however, if the umpires will come. Next, last season there was a great drought, consequently, we could not grow crops. Next type, sentence adverbs. A sentence adverb starts the sentence and modifies the whole sentence. For example, hopefully we will win the match. Apparently, the sky is getting cloudy. Certainly, I did not think of coming here. Here, all these 3 bold words are modifying the sentences. Next, adverb of time or frequency. Adverb of time or frequency indicate time or frequency of the action in the sentence. They answer the question when or how frequently is the action performed. For example, always, never, often, eventually, now, frequently, occasionally, once, forever, seldom, before, Sunday, Monday, or 10 am, and etc. Here are some examples in sentences. I went to school a little late yesterday. He always gets a good result. I will leave Monday. He smokes occasionally. Here, all these bold words are indicating adverb of time or frequency. Next, adverb of place or direction. It indicates place or direction of the action in the sentence. They answer the question, where is the action performed? For example, I went through the jungle. He plays in the field. Alex is going to school. He is staying at my home. Here, all these bold words are indicating adverb of place or direction. Next, for example, completely, nearly, entirely, less, mildly, most, thoroughly, somewhat, excessively, much, etc. are common adverbs of degree. For example, she completely forgot about their anniversary. I read the newspaper thoroughly. I am so excited about the new job. Robin hardly studies. Here, all these bold words are indicating adverb of degree. Next, adverb of manner. Adverbs that express the manner or approach or process of the action in the sentences are called adverbs of manner. They answer the question, How is the action performed? For, for example, beautifully, equally, thankfully, carefully, handily, quickly, coldly, haughtily, resentfully, earnestly, nicely, tirelessly, etc. are common adverbs of manner. These adverbs usually end in ly. For example, let's divide the prices equally. Please handle the camera carefully. Mike is walking slowly. He is running fast. Here, all these bold words are indicating adverb of manner. Now let's do some revision on this topic. Identify the types of adverb of the following sentences. First one, he is very strong. It is an adverb of degree. Next, fortunately, no one was hurt. What kind of adverb this is? It is a sentence adverb. Next, I write neatly. It is a adverb of manner. Next, Ram has not seen Shyam once. It is adverb of time or frequency. Next, you are quite right. It is adverb of degree. Next, I shall go tomorrow. It is adverb of time or frequency. Next, she sang beautifully. It is an example of adverb of manner. Next, hopefully he will pass the exam. It is sentence adverb. Next, I was hardly ready when he arrived. It is adverb of degree. Next, she seldom comes here. It is adverb of time or frequency. Next, Tom will come here. Here it is an example of adverb of place or position. Next, Ram is playing outside the house. It is an example of adverb of place or position. I have told him twice. It is adverb of time or frequency. I shall go tomorrow. Adverb of time or frequency. The mangoes were almost ripe. It is adverb of degree. Next, the baby is playing inside. It is adverb of place or position. Next, this essay is well written. It is adverb of manner. Now let's see some spotting errors. First one is, a soldier is taught never to fight cowardly. Here, we use right in a cowardly manner in place of cowardly because cowardly is an adjective. So what will be the correct statement? A soldier is taught never to fight in a cowardly manner. Next, he is being very politely for the reason best known to him. Here, change politely into polite because an adjective follows be. So here, what is the correct statement? He is being very polite for the reason best known to him. Next, he is enough tall to be selected as sub-inspector in Delhi. Here, tall will come before enough, as as enough comes after an adjective. So, he is tall enough to be selected as sub-inspector in Delhi Police. Next, I did not know hardly anyone in the college and so I felt lonely all the time. Here, we should remove not as Hardly cannot take not with it. So, what is the correct statement? I knew hardly anyone in the college, and so I felt lonely all the time. Next, I refused to accompany him because he was so boring. Here, use very in place of so. So, the sentence will be I refuse to accompany him because he is very boring. Next, I refuse to consider him as an honest boy as he had cheated many people. Here, we should remove as because consider is not followed by as. So, what will be the correct statement? I refuse to consider him an honest man as he had cheated many people. Next, I see him often at the bus terminal. Here, often will come before the main verb. So, what will be the correct statement? I often see him at the bus terminal. Next, she does her work good as she is a trained nurse. Here, we should use well in place of good as good is an adjective and well is an adverb. So, she does her work well as she is a trained nurse is a correct statement. Next, she had barely nothing to wear when she came to me for help. Here, barely will not take nothing after it, so change nothing into anything. So, what is the correct sentence? She had barely anything to wear when she came to me for help. Next, she knows riding a horse. Here, knows how to ride is the correct form. So, what will be the correct statement? She knows how to ride a horse. Next, the state government appointed him as officer in charge. Here, appointed should not be followed by as. So, we remove as in this sentence. So, what will be the correct sentence? The state government appointed him officer in charge. Next, though he was brave, he could not face the ups and downs of life manly. Here, change manly into manfully because manly is an adjective, it means brave or strong. So, what is the correct sentence? Though he was brave, he could not face the ups and downs of life manfully. Next, we must try to save our hardly earned money. Here, change hardly into hard. So, what is the correct sentence? We must try to save our hard earned money. Next, we seldom or ever go out these days because it is too hot nowadays. Here, seldom is followed by never. So, we seldom never go out these days because it is too hot nowadays will be the correct sentence. Next, we should keep our belongings orderly. Here, we should remove orderly because orderly is an adjective and we need a verb. So here, in an orderly should be replaced by orderly. So what is the correct So what is the correct sentence? We should keep our belongings in an orderly manner. Next, Vijay could not scarcely conceal his happiness at my resignation. Here, scarcely cannot be used with not. So, what is the correct sentence? Vijay could scarcely conceal his happiness at my resignation. Next, when I read his biography, I hardly found something in this character that I could admire. Here, change something into anything because hardly will come with anything. So, what is the correct sentence? When I read his biography, I hardly found anything in this character that I could admire. Next, when she received the good news, she ran straightly to call up her parents. Here, straight is both adverb and adjective, and straightly is used here is a wrong word. So what is the correct sentence? When she received the good news, she ran straight to call up her parents. Next, you always come late to class. Here, the word lately means recently. So, here we should use late in place of lately, as late is the correct word we should use here. So, you always come late to class is the correct sentence. Next, Veena worked very hardly as she wanted to be a surgeon. Here, hard must replace hardly. So, what is the correct sentence? Veena worked very hard as she wanted to be a surgeon. Next, she sounded very sadly after the death of her pet. Here, sound will be qualified by sad. It means sound will be followed by sad, not sadly. So, what is the correct sentence? She sounded very sad after the death of her pet. Next, her speech was not clear, but we understood the underlying meaning. Here, speech should be followed by an adjective, clear, not clearly. So, what is the correct sentence? Her speech was not clear, but we understood the underlying meaning. Next, all the pupils stood up respectively as the Guru entered the room. Here, change respectively into respectfully. So, what will be the correct statement? All the pupils stood up respectfully as the Guru entered the room. So, that's all for today. In my next video, we will start adjective and its types. If you like this video, share it, subscribe it, and hit the like button. Thanks.